Can't make this stuff up, people. I really can't. So Raven's acting up. Seems like she doesn't want to start. Yep, she doesn't even want to crank over. I don't know what's wrong with it. Sorry for the darkness. Let me see if I can ask this person a question real quick, see if you can help me out. Familiar sign, huh? I don't know if you guys seen it from last night. The video could have been very dark. But I found out what the problem was. I'm hoping, I really do hope that it's not what I've been reading on forums and all this type of stuff. So did my research, went online, typed in the problem or the issue that I had with my car. A whole bunch of people were saying a whole bunch of BS. Well, it's not BS, it's very good information, I should say, on what's wrong with my car. We actually fixed this problem before when I first got it. So yeah, I thought it was this, which is the battery. It's right here at the back of my car. Not it. I thought it was the auxiliary or the secondary battery underneath the seat. Come to find out, that's not it either. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what happened with my car. And I swear we fixed this. Shout out to you, Richie. It's not your fault. You did a good job. An amazing job, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what happened. Bang. You guys see that? There's no belt. My belt actually shredded, like tore apart. It was actually in half. Pretty crazy. I'll leave it open for the mechanic so you can come check it out, which is across the street. Just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with my car. Still searching for someone like an engine. Someone can swap engines. So I'm really looking for that for my Accord. As soon as I get that, or find someone who could do engine swaps, that's gonna get rolling even faster than what it is right now. Stay tuned, guys. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're still trying to diagnose what's going on with the starter. We actually found out what was really wrong with it without going to those mechanics. Went to 2 mechanics and there were no help. Sorry, man. Before they can even test anything, or the alternator telling me there's nothing wrong with the car, they don't know why it starts. Yeah, shout out to you guys, SCP Euro. Ooh. SCP Euro. Got an auxiliary battery for Raven. Now I gotta put this carpet back in. Oh yeah, kinda need to start it in order for me to get it right here. Maybe not. See if you could squeeze it through, but the auxiliary battery is in here. I didn't have a video because my GoPro died. Babe, close that door. But you gotta take out the carpet to get access to your auxiliary cord that's underneath here. It's just these right here. I'm missing a couple screws. Going to take those out. The auxiliary is right down here. Bada bing, bada boom. You know, there it goes. But I'm gonna put this stuff back in now in the carpet. And also I'm gonna take out the alternator, which is wrong with it. I'm gonna continue to take out the alternator, put a new one in, or get that one rebuilt, and then put it back in and see if she starts. I hope that's the problem. From what I've seen on the forums and online, that's what everyone's been saying. I've been talking to a lot of Mercedes specialists, and they've been saying the same thing too. I also had that voltage reading message error on my display right there. But yeah, in the making, guys. Oh yeah, stay tuned with the Accord. The Accord, I'm waiting on a few parts that are coming by. Is that burnt? I'm waiting on a few parts that are supposed to be coming by for the card, and the video is gonna be uploaded on that very soon. Kind of sucks with what someone did to the Accord. I'm pretty sure you guys seen on my Instagram if you're following Pristine Works. But someone actually went to my Accord and tried to rip, or they did rip open the back window. Kind of pathetic, but don't worry about that. I'll get that fixed. But yeah, let me do this and get back to you guys shortly. Back at it again, everyone. Trying to take that out. That's the plan for today. So, yeah, like as I was saying, we're gonna tackle the alternator. This portion right here, I'm gonna take it out, send it to a shop, have them rebuild it, put it back in, and we'll see what goes on from there. Before I do all that, look how she looks. Oh my goodness, she's looking sexy, Slam. I swear. Like, ooh, gorgeous. Alright, what? I don't want to bore you guys. I'm trying to take this stuff out right here, or the alternator out. So I'm gonna put the camera down, and we'll pick back up as soon as I take the alternator out, and we can examine it together. Oh, before you guys do, if you are doing this job by yourself, make sure you take the battery out. Gotta clean that. The tray looks very, very dirty and corroded. Also need a new battery. That battery is shot. Completely dead. But yeah. So this is the following day. Got her moved from over there to here, but still didn't get her fixed. I really don't know what the problem is, guys. For everyone, I really don't know what the problem is. Oops, sorry, drop my camera, my GoPro. So, new battery, new everything. Lights don't feel dim. Radio, everything works. Right? It just does not turn over at all. So if anyone of you guys have a suggestion, or a mechanic or an electrical guy that I could tow my car to, that way I could get everything fixed, I will really appreciate that. Let me know in the comments below. I need some help, please, guys. Really do appreciate the help. If you guys do decide to help, I'll be extremely grateful. I just want to do something real quick. Now where my settings at? Instrument clusters, vehicle. Vehicles, kilometers. Automatic door lock. Okay. Okay, convenience. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to the menu on my car to see if everything is still set how it's supposed to be. Easy stick control. Mirror adjustment. Folding mirrors. I want that back on. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. But yeah, guys, don't know what's wrong with her. Please leave in the comments. Brand new battery, brand new auxiliary battery. I tried to take off. I got a brand new tensioner belt, if that's what it's called. I need an alternator. Maybe it's my alternator. Maybe it really is my alternator, the voltage regulator behind the alternator. But guess what? I kind of stripped the top bolt or the bottom one, so I need someone or a mechanic to come and actually do the work for me. So yeah, there's that. I need help. I'm asking for help. I love this car. Gotta fix that too, because she doesn't close and it gets cold in here. But yeah, that's a quick update on my car, on Raven. Quick update on Raven.